Hello gamers! In order to fix stuttering, freezing, lagging, or low FPS issues in Path of Exile 2, start by updating your graphics drivers to ensure optimal performance. Check that your system meets the minimum or recommended specifications for the game. Adjust in-game graphics settings by lowering shadows, textures, and effects quality, reducing resolution, and disabling unnecessary visual effects like motion blur and anti-aliasing. Opt for full screen mode for better performance. In advanced settings, disable dynamic culling and set the target frame rate to 60 FPS while enabling engine multithreading. Close background applications to free up system resources, and in Task Manager, set Path of Exile 2 to high priority for better resource allocation. If possible, install the game on an SSD to reduce loading times and improve performance. Additionally, adjust your GPU settings in the graphics card control panel to ensure the game uses the dedicated GPU and set power settings to maximum performance. Disable overlays from programs like Steam or Discord as they can hinder performance. Finally, use the game launcher to verify and repair any corrupted files that may be causing issues, and experiment with VSync and frame rate limits based on your setup to prevent screen tearing or stuttering. By implementing these strategies, you can significantly enhance your gaming experience in Path of Exile 2, leading to smoother gameplay and improved overall performance. Hope you got value and got solution fixed.